9:51. First signal here. Let's try this sun scope. Still there. In the scoop. Oh, nice first find, and I think it's gold. Wow, wow. Woohoo. Oh, first find of my sun scoop. If it's real, it pays itself. Diamond earring. Hopefully it's real. Piso. Double tap. What a waste. I need to go home, guys. My battery is flat. Woo.
Here we go, guys. I'm home now and I confirmed that these two batteries are both flat. They are tested 11 volts. I stayed for I think 5 to 10 minutes only hunting. This was my first target, or the first signal, second signal, and the third signal. First signal was the earring, 1 peso coin, and this pull tab, and that was the time that I hear the tone, which I know my battery is low. Then I confirmed that it's low, and the other battery that I just removed from the detector was low also. So I cannot go back to hunt. What a waste. But this is the bonus, guys. I checked this earring, and it is marked K18 and then 0.50, meaning this is 18 karat gold and 0.50 karat in total of diamonds. And I tested the gold. It is positive 18 karat. I cannot find my diamond tester, but I can see under the loop that these are real diamonds. And I think these are 50 pieces of small diamonds, or they call it titos. So this is the shortest hunt that I had, but one of the most successful hunts I ever had. Look at that, guys. I hope you can see that. Those are diamonds. There you go. And I don't know if I can see the marking here. $1.4 grams. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and also share to your friends. And guys, please help me to support this channel so that I will be inspired to upload more videos. I actually have some videos, but I was not able to upload. To those who stayed on my channel, even though I don't have uploaded videos, thank you so much for staying. I hope to see you soon.